In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Google Pay declined error. So there are 10 fixes that you can try step by step in order to fix your problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And if it's not working, then try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Number 2 is going to be checking account balance. If you don't have enough balance, then of course it is going to go ahead and get declined. The third thing you want to do is simply go ahead and verify your card details. Check if the card number, the expiry date, and CVV that you've entered is correct, and make sure that the card isn't expired. The number 4 thing you want to do is check if the card is blocked. You want to simply contact your bank and ask them if your card is active, or unblock your card if it has been restricted by simply calling your bank. Number 5 is going to be setting as default payment method. Set your preferred card as the default in Google Pay. That way it is not confused between multiple different cards. Number 6 is going to be updating your Google and Play services or Google Pay and services. And in order to do that, simply open Play Store and search for Google Pay and update it. Number 7 is going to be clearing cache and data. You want to simply go to settings, apps, Google Pay and storage, and clear cache and clear storage. Number 8 is going to be checking date and time, because sometimes what happens is that if your time zone is not set to automatically, it might face some problem. Number 9 is going to be removing and re-adding your payment method. So the card that is not working, try removing and re-adding it. And finally, the last thing you want to do is contact your bank or Google support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you.